This video is in continuation to consumer application steps and will guide you on how to use the solar calculator. Once you click on Solar Rooftop Calculator, it will open the map like this. Click on the structure belonging to your house. Proceed to the next step by clicking on the next button. The system calculates the area of the roof selected. Add electricity consumption details by clicking on Add Electricity Consumption button. Enter consumption data for the month of January. Input the bill amount for the month of January. Save the entered information by clicking on the Save button. The system calculates the consumption data for the whole year basis the input provided for January month. The system configuration gets generated basis the inputs provided. Once you scroll down, you will be able to see the calculations for return on investment for the capital expenditure spent on installing a solar rooftop. Move to the next section of your application by clicking on the Next button. The guide covered the step-by-step process of consumer registration on PMSGY app, including filling out the form, adding consumption details, uploading documents, and submitting the registration form.